China's COVID-19 death toll for Wuhan has been revised and increased by 50%. Authorities say the new numbers now include fatalities that weren't properly reported during the early days of the outbreak, which began in the city of Wuhan. But they've denied it's a cover-up. And the revision means another 1,290 victims have been added to the city's death toll, taking the total to 3,869. The change now pushes the nationwide tally to 4,632, an increase of more than a third. Around 300 new infections have also been added to Wuhan's total, which now stands at just over 50,000. The capital of Hubei province accounts for two-thirds of all coronavirus cases in China. The revisions come amid increasing scrutiny of China's coronavirus figures. But Beijing has quashed speculation of a cover-up.
客观上存在一些迟报、漏报、误报的现象，但从不存在瞒报，也不允许瞒报。
China says it has been able to do a check on the exact number of COVID-19 patients in Wuhan now that the pandemic has by and large been contained and the lockdown in the city lifted. In a notice published by local officials, it said that a surge in the number of patients in the early stages of the outbreak left medical facilities overwhelmed, this resulting in some patients dying at home without being treated in hospitals and being left out of earlier statistics. Officials said medical staff were also focused on treating patients, resulting in missed or wrong reporting of cases. Another challenge had arisen from designating many hospitals to treat COVID-19 patients. These include those affiliated with companies, private hospitals, and makeshift facilities, with some unable to report their data in time. Registered information of some who died were also incomplete or contained mistakes. But news that the death toll and confirmed cases is higher than previously reported may not come as a surprise. Previously, we had heard reports of individuals who had showed symptoms of COVID-19 but died without being tested as testing facilities were limited. There had also been recent local media reports of funeral homes in Wuhan ordering thousands more urns than the official death tally. As China has come under growing scrutiny from the international community over its transparency during the pandemic, a China Daily editorial said that it will be no surprise that China's revision of its statistics may be greeted with suspicion by some, but it stressed that this revision is warranted as more accurate data will make the country's measures against the virus more targeted.